Hello, welcome back to my channel. 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 I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. So if that's what you're looking for, go ahead and subscribe and become one of my little doll babies. If you've already subscribed and became one of my little doll babies, hello, welcome back. So glad you are here. I'm doing an update on a wig, and this is a little bit of a special update because I did dye this wig. So today we are talking about Sensationnel's MAYLENE. I originally had her in the color DR613. There's a full review up on my channel. I'll link the playlist and the video down below. So I will go ahead and go to the side and I'll show you originally what MAYLENE looked like. Okay, so you are now seeing me with different makeup, different clothes, because for some reason I actually didn't hit record or something, so I needed to come back and record this again. So I will move to the side and we will show a side-by-side of what MAYLENE looked like before I dyed her. I really like how she turned out. It is this like beautiful sort of peachy blonde situation. I also have a toning and dyeing playlist that you can look at. But I definitely love how she turned out. It really did turn it like a peachy color, so I'm very happy with it. I don't have a lot of shedding, which I'm pretty sure I processed this at least once, if not, well, no, twice, because I toned her and then I colored her. So I do not have a ton of shedding for being processed and washed so many times. She still feels nice. She's got that beautiful yaki texture. So I'm very excited about how this wig turned out. So that is just a quick update on MAYLENE and how she turned out after I dyed her. If you have any questions, please put that down below. If there's any other toning or dyeing videos you would like me to make, go ahead and put that down below. Also, please check out my playlist because there's a lot in there. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!